Edit text in a document. Sometimes you may make mistakes and you may want to edit your text to make the required changes. Editing involves making changes to the text by adding, inserting, deleting and rearranging words, sentences or paragraphs in an existing document. At the end of this video, you will be able to edit text in a document. Some of the basic edit operations that can be performed on a Word document are navigating through text, inserting text, selecting text, deleting blocks of text, rearranging blocks of text, searching and replacing text. Let us take the text of the letter we typed in our last session and edit it. Navigating through text. Let us first see how to navigate through our text in a Word document. The following table lists the various keys used to navigate in a document. In your text, if you want to go up, you use the up arrow on the keyboard. Suppose if you want to go down in your letter, you use down arrow on the keyboard. If you want to go left, use left arrow on the keyboard. If you want to go right, use right arrow on the keyboard. You can use other navigation keys to perform the respective actions. Inserting text. Suppose you want to insert a line. When are your exams starting? Place your cursor where you want to insert the text. Start typing the text and then change the paragraph. Selecting and deleting text. Suppose you want to delete the line. When are your exams starting? Place your cursor at the beginning of the sentence and then select the whole sentence. After selecting the text, you can either click delete or backspace key on your keyboard. The text will be deleted. Cut and paste text. Using cut, copy, paste saves a lot of efforts that you would otherwise make in typing text or moving the text from one place to another in your document. Suppose you want to cut this text. You are so intelligent. I am sure you will do well. Don't stress. Just work hard and keep ample time for revision. Make a study timetable and follow it. And paste it after this line. I hope Maya Didi will be able to help you with your studies. She is so good at maths and science. If required, you can also join a tuition for some days to clear your doubts. This allows you to rearrange blocks of text in your document. Suppose you want to replace the word holidays with the word vacation. Go to Home tab and select Find. You will see a navigation bar at left side of the document. Type holidays and then click Enter. The word holidays will get highlighted throughout the letter. Now, to replace this word with vacation, select the drop down and select Replace with. You will see a pop-up bar. Type the word vacation in Replace with option. Then select Replace All. The word holiday will be replaced with vacation throughout the letter. Question. Let's do an exercise on how to cut, copy, paste, delete, find, and replace a text in a Word document. Suppose you have a paragraph on your document. You need to perform the following tasks. Find the word stable and delete it from the paragraph. Find the word Jawaharlal Nehru and replace it with the word Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Cut the text and paste it at the end of the article. Write the word constituent in front of the word assembly in the first line sentence of the last paragraph. Then copy the word constituent and paste it in front of the word assembly in the second and third sentence of the last paragraph. Summary. In this video, you have learned to edit text in a document,